Ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all are doing wonderful. It is Valentine's Day. And of course, it is Homegrown with G Cole. We're coming to you from the road because here's the deal. No matter where in the world we are, we got to bring you the show, right? We got to bring you the show. It's the Day of the Lovers, man. And I got something spectacular for you. Been holding on, but I got something spectacular for you. You hear me say it all the time. There are those who do it, and there are those who do it well. So I'm going to drop something on you right about now. Like I said, I'm coming to you remotely. Big up the Massive and crew listening in on Rubber Ranks Radio. Lodge up yourself, all right? All those people in Europe right now listening via Royal Zion Highness. My Massive and crew watching live on Jamaicans.com. I got to big up everybody. All right, Super Jams, West Palm Beach. Lodge up. Anyways, I'm going in. When I say I'm going in. And somebody's going to win a gift because here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop this joint on you. And if you can identify the voices, all right? When I say super, it's a super group, man. You don't know nothing about this. I called up my Russian connects, Vladimir. I said, yo, V, you could do this for Trump. You could do this for me, all right? I need you to dig in the hard drives and get me something special. And what he do? He came through. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go, baby. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Sometimes I feel so alone, baby. I call your heart, but there's no one at home. Taking a toll on my pride. I'm reaching out, but there's no one inside.
Janet, you recognize the voices.
Why don't you care for me like I care about you? Ooh, girl, I care about you.
Brand new.
I'm there.
I don't even know if it's out yet. So
you care for me.
Listen, y'all.
Like I care about you.
Yeah.
I spend like all of my days, baby.
I said, come on now. So here's the deal. Y'all recognize the voices. I got gifts, all right? I'm going to be giving out some special gifts if y'all recognize these voices. When I say the thing splash, it splash. They did it right. Milestone, be super proud. After 7, KC JoJo, Babyface. Y'all know what I want your back.
Sometimes I feel so alone, baby. I call your heart, but there's no one at home. Taking a toll on my pride. I'm reaching out, but there's no one inside.
You know it doesn't feel right when I look in your eyes. I know love is blind, but the heart
I'm there for.
Valentine's Day no good again.
Why don't you
Ladies,
care for me
ladies,
like I care?
I love the hearts, I love the flames going on.
I spend like all of my days, baby, trying to set out just how things got this way.
Guess what?
I thought that we were in love, but I swear right now I don't know what you want. I'll make sure that I give you quality time. Quality time. But lately I feel you're not home by design.
Girl, still I'm gonna try, 'cause you are the love of my life. In hopes that you will open your eyes, baby.
You're listening to Homegrown with G. Cole. He's got a heart of gold.
Why don't you care
Major things, ladies and gentlemen, trust me.
like I care about you?
Crazy.
Ooh, girl, I care about you. I'm down for you.
Y'all figured out the names yet?
Why don't you
Any true reggae lover, music lover,
like I care?
let's go up top right now.
Sometimes I'm not sure that I'm all you've got. Sometimes I'm not sure you love me enough.
There's one thing that I'm certain of, girl, I care for you. And the one thing that I want is that you care for me. I care about you, baby. I'm there for you. I'm in there for you. So why don't you care? Why don't you care for me like I care about you?
The definition of a big tune, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the thing. Anytime the tune really major, big enough, I can't myself. I just start talking like this. The English accent just come on over me. I don't know what it is, man. Anytime, tune smash, I just start talk like this. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something, man. The thing proper. You know what I mean? I smell a hit on this one. Trust me. Y'all recognize the names yet? Whoo! Woman said proper. I don't know. All right, I'm coming to you from the hotel room right about now. All right, like I said, anywhere in the world we go, the song comes to you, the show comes to you, the exclusives come to you. I'm gonna list the names so y'all know what time it is. All right, let's get in. It's major.
Sometimes I feel so alone, baby. I call your heart, but there's no one at home. Taking a toll on my pride. I'm reaching out, but there's no one inside.
It doesn't feel right. Look in your eyes. I know love is blind, but the heart doesn't lie. I'll ask one more time, baby. It's time to try. So tell me, girl, what's keeping your heart?
Girl, I care about you.
Busy. ladies and gentlemen. Y'all realize what's happening right now. Big up my UK fam. Australia is rocking with us right now. I see Hawaii in the building. Let's go up top, all right? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Sometimes I'm not sure that I'm all you've got. Sometimes I'm not sure you love me enough.
There's one thing that I'm certain of, girl, I care for you. And the one thing that I want is that you care for me.
D Major, ladies and gentlemen. Christopher Martin. Busy Signal. Romain Virgo. It don't get no better than this. I say it don't get no better than this.
So why don't you care for me? Like I care about you. Care about you, baby. Care about you, baby.
Yeah, man. You can't ignore this sweetness of music, man.
I gotta get up out of here, ladies and gentlemen, but trust me, I had to end this way. It's Valentine's Day. Ain't no better way to do it. Not true. For the biggest names, the dopest voices, man, I tell it to one of the wickedest tunes ever. It is what it is. I gotta roll, but trust me, make sure so you get this one when it drops.
Nakikinig ka sa música Homegrown with G. Cole.
Estás escuchando Homegrown con G. Cole.
您现在正在收听的是 Homegrown with G-Cole.
You're listening to Homegrown with G. Cole.
Yeah, take me then, I'll play it again. Yeah, take me then, I'll play it again. That tune in there, man, loosely translated, we playing this joint for about a half an hour before I roll. I'm on the road right now, and I want to thank y'all for rocking, all right? I could have met Valentine's Day pass and I don't do the broadcast. Not necessarily because it's a holiday, you know what I mean? But I had to drop this joint. Woo-hoo. Gotta roll, dog.
Sometimes I feel so alone.